Welcome back to Primetime News, and a very special welcome to those of you joining us online at onespotmedia.com. Now, first this evening, the government is coming under increased pressure to roll back the massive increase given to politicians. Calls are being made for Jamaicans to boycott all state-planned and politician-led activities on Labor Day. The details in this report.
On Thursday, the Jamaica Council of Churches joined the list of local groups calling for a rollback of the massive wage increase politicians gave themselves. Fast forward 3 days later, and one prominent church leader has gone a step further. The preacher took a placard to church bearing the word shameful.
Shameful, disgraceful, unacceptable, and insensitive to the plight of the Jamaican people. Collectively, Mr. Prime Minister, collectively, you and your cabinet has behaved shamefully.
He wants the country to unite against what he views as a vulgar financial move by the politicians starting on Labor Day.
To stage a campaign to ban our participation in the government Labor Day project. Because the action is demotivating. If we are partnering together for building this nation, you should be sensitive to the plight. You have destroyed the spirit of volunteerism, the spirit of patriotism.
Bishop Dr. Alvin Bailey, who is the president of the Jamaica Evangelical Alliance, was speaking at a church service in Portmore, St. Catherine Sunday. He said he has a duty to address this issue, which goes directly against the Jamaican people, many of whom are being forced to take low wages, including from the government.
The Christianity that I embrace does not only speak to preaching to you from this pulpit. It means identifying ourselves with the plight of a people who you serve and speaking for the voiceless, representing those who need representation, and address persons who should have their interests at heart. And if there's anyone else who should have our interests and our well-being at heart, should be the politicians that we have elected to serve us and to live in a way that they are examples of moderation, decency, integrity.
He also didn't spare the opposition PNP, whose members, he said, have reacted to the matter with half-hearted protests.
They have taken it. I have seen them walk out of Parliament for less than this. I've seen them vigorously opposing actions that are less than this. They have took it and they are flip-flopping. The leader of the opposition, he has decided to give back 80%. Until when the other negotiations are settled. That is unacceptable. Nothing short of a rollback of this increase is acceptable to the Jamaican people. Rollback to more moderate increases that reflects sensitivity to the limitations.
The clergyman said he will continue to lead protests in the coming days. He said he will also begin communications with Transparency International as well as Jamaicans in the diaspora to agitate and help him and other Jamaicans fight the issue. Janella Precious, TVJ News.